Exit number 9.
Excuse me.
Darjeeling Toy Train. What makes it remarkable that it is one of the oldest running steam engine trains in the world, and it also has a World Heritage Tag given by UNESCO. These days, for poor maintenance, most of the rides are being often cancelled, but the train with the diesel engine is still in good shape. The rides are mostly arranged by the diesel engine for the tourists for a short trip from Darjeeling Station to Ghum Station and back to Darjeeling Station. Most of the days the Joy steam train goes by 9:25 a.m. to 11:20 a.m. for a nominal amount of rupees 1500, and it also leaves by 1:50 p.m. to 3:45 p.m. for the price of 1600. For a Joyride diesel train the cost is rupees 1000 and it leaves by 12 p.m. to 1:50 p.m.